Differentiation. The equation of a curve has a stationary point. Find the x-coordinate of this stationary point. So stationary point means y prime equals 0. So to find the y prime, we have to differentiate the y. To differentiate the multiplication, we have to use the product rule. This is the MF19 product rule. We call this the u prime, we call this the v prime. So the formula is u prime v plus v prime u prime v plus v prime u. So let's set the u to be sine x, the v to be sine 2x. So u prime is the derivative of sine. Sine becomes cos in the MF19, so we have cos x for the u prime. The v is still this, and the v prime, the derivative of v, the derivative of sine is again cos, so we have cos 2x, but multiplied by 2 because of the chain rule, because of these two. So this is the v prime, and the u is the same as this, sine x. So now we are solving something equals 0. So as you can see here, there's nothing to factorize, so we have something in x, something in 2x. We're gonna have to use the trigonometric formulas in MF19, the double angle formulas. Sine 2x using this formula becomes 2 sine x cos x, and cos 2x using the cos 2a formula, we get 2 cos squared a minus 1. Okay, so in case you are wondering why do we use this form, why don't we use the other forms, the other forms will work as well. So in this case we're using cos because if we just try here, so if we just try and multiply this, we're gonna get 2 sine x cos squared x, and from here we're gonna get, multiplied, we have 2 sine times 2 cos squared, and 2 sine times minus 1, and we can factor out sine here, and we have 2 cos squared plus 2 times this, we get this, 2 times minus 1, we get minus 2. So yeah, that's why we use cos squared, because we're gonna have to factor out cos squared from here. So here if we use cos squared as well, we're gonna get something simple in cos squared. Okay, so if we use sine squared, actually we can do that as well, but this is the fastest one, the fastest method, I think. Okay, but you can try using the other cos double angle rules. Okay, now from something times something equals 0, we have the first factor equals 0, so x equals 0, and this is rejected because the domain in the question does not include 0. And from here 2 plus 4 is 6. We have something simple in cos squared x, so we're solving the second factor equals 0, plus 2 both sides, divide by 6 both sides, and take the square root of both sides. We have plus minus, so the x is inverse cos 1 over root 3. And in case you are wondering why don't we use the negative, well, because we are using only the first quadrant in the domain. So first quadrant means we use only the positive, so inverse cos something positive. So in radians 3SF we get only one final answer. Alright, I'll see you again next time.